Let me illustrate an example to understand the break and continue statement better. So let us consider an example. In our life we would have faced like we would have forgotten our password for our email account or Facebook account or Twitter account. So the system will ask the user to enter the correct password if we enter the wrong password, and system will give only 3 chances in our example. If 3 chances are wrong, the system will shut down. So let us write the program first. Let us say password is equal to password is Williams. Now for loop range we will be giving the user 3 chance, that's why the for loop, and j is equal to 3, this we will be using, that's why. And now let us check the condition. If first we will be asking the user to enter the password, let us say pwd is equal to input enter the password. Now if pwd is equal to password, if this is correct, then print welcome and break the loop. Else print wrong password and chances left comma j minus I. This should be 2, like first he will be entering, and let us say continue. So let us quickly execute this program. Enter the password. This time first we will be entering the right password. So welcome, we are into the system. Now let us execute one more time. Now we will be giving wrong password. Let us say Peter. We forgot the password and entered the wrong password. So system is telling wrong password. Chances left 1. John. Chances left 1. This we will be changing a little bit, and this is the last time it is asking, and it is coming out of the system. So for that j is equal to 2 is right, but it should be j minus I. And let us write one more statement here outside the loop. Print try next time. Now let us try to execute it. Enter the password. Let us say Peter. Wrong password. Chances left. Only 2 chances are left. Let us say John. Chances left 1. This is the last chance. So all the chances are finished. The system is printing try next time. So hope you understood. Try practicing according to your requirement. You can write your own program now, but make sure that you are practicing, because from now we are going into a little bit complex topics. If you would have, if you would practice this regularly, those concepts would be much easier to understand, and it is much funner if you practice. So keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.